Question number 1. Which hormone is primarily responsible for maintaining pregnancy? Correct answer is option B, progesterone. Question number 2. What is the normal duration of a full-term pregnancy? Correct answer is option C, 37 to 42 weeks. Question number 3. What is the average weight gain during pregnancy? Correct answer is option B, 10 to 15 kg. Question number 4. What is the primary purpose of folic acid supplementation during pregnancy? Correct answer is option C, prevent neural tube defects. Question number 5. The first sign of pregnancy is usually. Correct answer is option B, missed menstrual period. Question number 6. What is quickening? Correct answer is option B, fetal movements felt by the mother. Question number 7. Which test is used to confirm pregnancy? Correct answer is option B, urine HCG test. Question number 8. What is the function of the placenta? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 9. Gastrointestinal diabetes is diagnosed in which trimester? Correct answer is option B, second. Question number 10. What is the recommended daily intake of iron for pregnant women? Correct answer is option C, 27 mg. Question number 11. What is the normal range of fetal heart rate? Correct answer is option B, 110 to 160 bpm. Question number 12. Which condition is characterized by high blood pressure during pregnancy? Correct answer is option C, preeclampsia. Question number 13. What is the ideal position of the baby for normal delivery? Correct answer is option C, spilic. Question number 14. What is the medical term for the first 12 weeks of pregnancy? Correct answer is option A, first trimester. Question number 15. When does the fetal heart start beating? Correct answer is option C, 6 weeks. Question number 16. What is the primary function of amniotic fluid? Correct answer is option B, protects the fetus from trauma. Question number 17. What is a common cause of anemia in pregnancy? Correct answer is option B, iron deficiency. Question number 18. Which vitamin is crucial for fetal bone development? Correct answer is option C, vitamin D. Question number 19. Which condition involves the implementation of the fertilized egg outside the uterus? Correct answer is option B, ectopic pregnancy. Question number 20. What is the best indicator of fetal well-being in the third trimester? Correct answer is option C, fetal movements. Question number 21. What is hyperemesis gravidarum? Correct answer is option A, excessive vomiting during pregnancy. Question number 22. 8. How many weeks in the fetus considered viable? Correct answer is option B, 24 weeks. Question number 23. Which nutrient is essential for preventing anemia in pregnancy? Correct answer is option B, iron. Question number 24. What does APGAR score evaluate? Correct answer is option B, newborn health immediately after birth. Question number 25. Which of the following is not a symptom of presbyopia? Correct answer is option D, low blood sugar. Question number 26. What is the normal weight of the placenta at term? Correct answer is option B, 400 to 600 grams. Question number 27. What is the normal range of hemoglobin in pregnant women? Correct answer is option B, 10.5 to 14 G over DL. Question number 28. What is the leading cause of maternal mortality worldwide? Correct answer is option A, hemorrhage. Question number 29. Which condition refers to the premature separation of the placenta? Correct answer is option B, abruptio placentia. Question number 30. What is the main sign of gastrointestinal diabetes? Correct answer is option B, high blood sugar levels. Question number 31. Which stage of labor involves the delivery of the baby? Correct answer is option B, second stage. Question number 32. Which hormone is responsible for milk ejection during breastfeeding? Correct answer is option A, oxytocin. Question number 33. What is the average volume of amniotic fluid at term? Correct answer is option B, 800 to 1000 ml. Question number 34. Which of the following is a risk factor for preeclampsia? Correct answer is option C, first pregnancy. Question number 35. What is the most common cause of postpartum hemorrhage? Correct answer is option B, uterine atony. Question number 36. What is the normal range of blood pressure during pregnancy? Correct answer is option A. Question number 37. Which of the following vaccines is contraindicated during pregnancy? Correct answer is option C, rubella. Question number 38. Which test is used to evaluate fetal lung maturity? Correct answer is option C, L over S ratio. Question number 39. At how many weeks of gestation is an ultrasound for anomaly screening typically performed? Correct answer is option C, 18 to 20 weeks. Question number 40. Which symptom is most common in ectopic pregnancy? Correct answer is option A, severe abdominal pain. Question number 41. What is the recommended daily caloric intake increase during pregnancy? Correct answer is option B, 300 kcal over day. Question number 42. Which sign is not a presumptive sign of pregnancy? Correct answer is option C, fetal heartbeat. Question number 43. What is the purpose of Kegel exercise during pregnancy? Correct answer is option B, strengthen pelvic muscles. Question number 44. What is the first organ to develop in the fetus? Correct answer is option B, heart. Question number 45. What is the primary complication of untreated gestational diabetes? Correct answer is option A, fetal macrosomia. Question number 46. What is Chadwick sign? Correct answer is option A. Question number 47. What is the most accurate method to determine gestational age? Correct answer is option C, first trimester ultrasound. Question number 48. Which condition involves the inability of the cervix to remain closed during pregnancy? Correct answer is option B, incompetent cervix. Question number 49. What is the medical term for the artificial reputer of membranes? Correct answer is option B, amniotomy. Question number 50. Which fetal presentation is associated with the highest risk during delivery? Correct answer is option C, transversely.